Ready to experience the web-slinging action of Spider-Man Remastered on your PC? First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. You'll typically need a qualifying Nvidia graphics card, like an RTX series, and a valid game purchase from a participating retailer. Check Nvidia's official website for a full list of eligible cards and retailers. Next, make sure you've got the GeForce Experience software installed and updated. This is key to unlocking your free game. Open GeForce Experience if there's an update available. Install it before you proceed. Once updated, sign into your Nvidia account or create one if you haven't already. This is crucial for claiming and managing your game. Look for the redeem option, usually found on the top right corner or within the account section. Click on redeem. You will be prompted to enter the code that your retailer should have provided at the time of purchase. Double check the code for accuracy to avoid errors. After entering your code, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your purchase and claim your game. This process may involve linking your Steam account, as that's where you'll download the game. Finally, once your game has been successfully claimed, navigate to your Steam library. You should find Spider-Man Remastered listed. Download and install the game, and you're ready to swing. That's it. Enjoy your free copy of Spider-Man Remastered, and happy web slinging.